unbox our Boxycharm. I'm so excited, you guys. Alright guys, welcome to my channel, Sweet Pink Home. Today I have my special guest, my lovely 3-year-old daughter, and my lovely 16-year-old daughter. So, anyway, one thing I wanted to work on this year was makeup, and as you can see, I don't have any on. I'm pretty much a blank canvas, and I have no eyebrows, so I'm learning how to do that as well. And so in order to find something that I can connect with my teenager about, because she loves makeup, I decided to subscribe to this Boxycharm. And we just got it yesterday, so we're super excited about it. So I'm going to let my daughter share the products, because honestly I have no idea how to do my makeup. So here we go, guys. Here's my daughter.
Here's a card that has all the promotion stuff, and here's, I don't know exactly what's on that.
Like the sales price.
Yeah, the sales price and like the description of all different products. So Mom, you could do this.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna go in order. Actually, no, I'm not, because that's.
We'll start with this.
Start with this little thingy right here.
What is that?
Pretty Vulgar. That's the name of the brand. I hope it shows. Blacklist Gel Eyeliner. The ink. It's, yeah, just a gel eyeliner. Its price is $24. We paid $20 for this whole thing.
Yeah. Alright.
On Lip Pur Cosmetics.
Oh, that's beautiful. It's on her hand now, too, so. She's got
That's
to
really.
sample it. Wow, that's really silky. Dude, that's awesome. Alright, Sophia's turn. Don't get your face, okay?
Beautiful.
Oh, let Mommy see. Can Mommy see? Ooh la la.
I love it. Gorgeous.
It's so shiny. And we were reading the ingredients, and it has a lot of ingredients, but it's super cool. And what's the value on that one?
$15. It's the raspberry. I don't know if it's gonna focus on it.
And just in the two products that we've showed you, you get your values worth as far as the box is concerned. Now,
Yeah. Like this one is the cheapest one. It's only $15.
Yeah.
But that's still a lot of money for a lip gloss.
And then next we have this CoverFX blurring primer.
My mom has no idea what that is because she doesn't even use foundation. But it says a blurring primer that A blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless, airbrushed look for
That's pretty awesome.
Like a base for your foundation.
Yeah, I don't even own primer,
Foundation or concealer.
Or any of that stuff. So, hey, don't put your fingers on it.
I'm gonna put on my hand, see what it looks like.
Just see what it looks like. Look.
Ew.
What's ew?
The color of it?
So, it's like a painting project, basically.
It's like a flesh color.
You put
$38
$38
for primer.
And, you know, as far as I knew about primer, it was for your car. Not for your face, but apparently times have changed, people. So, let's get back to this 1880s, liquid gel.
It's not liquid, it's just gel.
I'm sorry, gel eyeliner, right?
Yeah, gel eyeliner.
Yeah, so she's gonna, show you on her hand what it looks like.
But I'm also gonna show the brush packet pack of 3. There's a little spoolie, an angled brush, and a skinny little eyeliner brush. So I'm going to take those out.
This is so much fun, you guys. I know it doesn't seem like it, but it really is, because I get to connect with my daughter and learn about makeup at the same time. And get some really cool products for a decent price. So,
very decent. This is what piqued my interest. It's a little, I don't know if it's going to focus.
yeah, I can see it.
Whatever. It's a little tiny eyeliner brush, but it's not, like, it's semi-tiny. I would have liked it to be smaller, because I like a pretty sharp cut wing, eyeliner wing. And inside the pot, it's really dark. Oh, I mean, I guess if you look at it like that, it's not as dark, but when you're looking at it, like, down, it's really dark in there, so it's hard to, like, see where you put the brush in. So I put the brush in a little bit. And it's not a very sturdy brush.
And you kind of have to be an artist to do this kind of stuff.
Like, you need a very steady hand. It's, like, hard because it's gel, so.
Which isn't going to happen for me because I have a toddler. And she's kind of crazy sometimes.
Yeah, I can hardly do a wing on my hand. And it's not like I'm complaining.
But the product itself is beautiful.
Yes. It's really creamy and easy to, like it just glides right on. And it's not awesome. like clumpy or.
Yeah, so show them on your hand.
Well, I just did a little triangle. You can't really tell very well, but it's really nice.
Okay, guys, and we are going to show you.
Oh wait, the angled brushes.
The angled brushes, yeah. So I'm assuming that this little brush right here is like a for your brows. Am I right? Is that what that's for?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
there's
cool.
It says the Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush. This is the angled eyeliner brush. I don't know. Not super interested in it because it's very thick.
This is what I like, brushing my eyebrows. And I've discovered eyebrow paint, which is totally cool for someone that doesn't have eyebrows like me.
Yeah, the angled brush, the spoolie, and then the fine-tipped eyeliner brush. They're worth $45. $45 for all 3 of these. You get like $1 spoolie at the Dollar Tree, but this is expensive.
And then we got this brush. I don't know what it's for. What is it?
It's the Aesthetica P12 face brush with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control.
Wow, look at that.
Brush.
Watch, that's really cool. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in the
P12
package.
brush is perfect for creating a seamless look.
Ooh, aren't you beautiful? Yes, you are. And we're going to learn all about makeup, girls. All about makeup. I know the least squad.
Dip this in. I'm going to try it out on my hand a little bit.
Ooh, that makes a pretty line.
It makes a pretty line, but it's still thick. Oh my gosh, never mind. I think I learned the secret of doing eyeliner with a big brush.
That's cool.
These 2 little lines right here I did with the this little guy. And I tried to make it as thin as I could with this one. And then this was just a play triangle. And these are from earlier. And also the lipstick that I just kind of blended out. colors.
contour colors, which contours, I'm learning about that too. Apparently it's supposed to make things pop. And I kind of have darker skin than my daughter.
Yeah. So it's kind of hard to see, but this one is the originator. That one is the trailblazer. That one is the founder. The last one is the inventor.
You guys enjoyed our review of Boxycharm. Thank you, Jacinda, for educating my listeners, because I have no idea how it works. And thank you, Boxycharm, for your fun kit for the make for it, guys, and have a great day.
Wait.
Give this video a thumbs up. Is that what you were going to say?
No.
And subscribe, hopefully. So what were you going to say?
Disclaimer, this is not sponsored.
Yes.